A teenager is responsible for a deadly crash involving a chemical truck in southern Illinois. A federal report on the investigation shows a 17-year-old girl from Ohio admitted to cutting off the truck last year. It happened in Teutopolis, about 90 miles southeast of Springfield. An investigation found the truck avoided a collision with her minivan as it merged into the same lane. Now, the truck got on the shoulder where it lost traction and crashed. 5 people died in that crash. Close to 500 had to be evacuated from the town.
This white car had to make that exit by any means. My goodness. This car actually cuts across in front of another car to make their exit. Very dangerous. Cutting in front of a semi is not the smartest thing to do. It's even worse to cut off somebody on a rainy day